Alright, complete change in clothes. We're gonna be welding today. In this video, we're gonna be welding. And, the reason we are welding today is because I feel like it. So yeah, we're just gonna be welding. We're gonna find our pieces and we're just gonna, try our best to weld one of them to this piece. First we're gonna take this big metal piece. Right here. Perfect pull. Whoa. My gloves are smoking. Okay. There's a lot of splatter going on here. So, it's pretty firm. I can't touch this thing. The thing is so hot to the touch that the last time I tried, I literally burnt my fingers off, felt like. So it was like these two fingers. I grabbed it and it burnt my finger. Okay. Creating molten metal is cool. I think this is like molten-ish, right? Tell me in the comments what this means. A lot of sparks. It just caught fire? Yes. Okay, it's caught fire. It's okay. The metal catching fire just because of the heat. It's just the metal pieces catching on fire because of how hot it is. Okay, that's see. It's like bubbling. It's very hot. So there's things that happen in welding called, I don't know why this thing is still steaming. So there's a lot of metal going on right there and plastic. Just trying not to smell that. Oh. Yep, got myself all fixed up now. Should be okay. But none of like the plastic stuff gets in my mouth at all, or just here we go. So yeah, I don't know if I did the introduction, but yeah, welcome to Smith's Mechanic Shop. I already said that we're doing welding, so yeah. We're just gonna keep welding stuff together, I guess. We're not gonna build something as tall as this, because it took a long time and stuff is like deadly hot at the moment. Okay. Spark, touch my skin, get hurt. So, there's a thing about creating a pool. Is that every time I weld something, about creating a pool, is that when you create a pool, it ends up sticking better. So the pool makes it stick on hard. There's no moving that piece at all. So, but the reason I have to stop is because, grabbing a new piece for it is what I have to do every couple of seconds, so don't get bored. It's gonna be really cool at the end, which is coming up, because I don't want to make this thing too big, you know what I mean? And I feel like after this weld, it's gonna be the end. This is just going to be like a small little weld, so shouldn't be too long. Perfect, cool. Feels like I just I feel like that's stuck on there pretty well. Alright, thank you for watching the video of welding. There's going to be plenty more of welding videos just from this. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.